I'm Tanner Abraham, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to run a Python script directly from your command line on a Mac. So the first thing that we want to do is go to our terminal and open that up. And we want to type in Python with a capital P, space, and then we want to write the file path of our Python script that we would like to execute. But Mac actually has a shortcut where you can drag and drop the actual script in the command line to get the file path. So we're going to do that. Okay, now we're going to press enter. And now here we have the first line of code in the script that has been executed. And it's actually our guess the number game. So if I type in my name, Tanner, now it's asking me to guess a number. And as you can see, we have executed our Python script. I'm Tanner, this is Tanner Success, and if you would like to see more tutorials like this, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video with your special request. And also go to tannersuccess.com to see more of my content that may be helpful to you in your programming.